Aina Manik Syiem, the Syiem of Mylliem, has warned 5 ministries and the Basan of Nokse of legal action if they fail to provide evidence of alleged illegal land leasing within 10 days. The dispute centers on a 5,000 square foot plot in Klau Mauro leased to Napisabet Waalang for a furniture workshop with a monthly rent of Rs 10,000 for 20 years. Syiem stated the lease followed proper procedures but declined to comment on accusations regarding Rs 5.58 crore misutilization for land at Yo Mylliem. Due to an ongoing inquiry, he clarified that soil dumped at Law Syiem came from the leased land and such dumping is permitted. In response, the ministries and Basan have called for Syem's removal, citing unauthorized leasing and violations of HEMA conventions.
Ketua kejakaan bersyukur kalau ada gaji kalian, nak kalian kahima, nak kalian profesional. Kita tu baru yang lapan approval na district council, badan kumbak harsau teli kilong ye. Nama berbalai mencuba ketua kejakaan jong profesional. Nama badan ketolong di bawah ban penek persai tolong dan nak kalian jongi, bat nak kalian kepada orang senang jongka sing Jepung ru nilai inspection di badan si kumbak harsau teli kilong ye nilai bujiri dan jaka. Tiga don kejakaan hendak kumbak 1,000 square feet. Di badai kajing kadan nakaliang kajong kasnong ki ya kajing ho sini ba man penkarya no hendak nama badan buat tu high tension di ban penkarya no deka bapan kasnong ya tu harsau tali kilong yang nama banjing don tu high tension ki beri itu ki long yang ki dan kajing kuat dia nakaliang ini ke lima di lah penkarya no ban kam senang ya pernah itu high tension tu jaka be bujeli.
Leaders of the Hinyo Trap National Youth Front